Hello, fourth grade friends. Mrs. Snyder here again with you. I wanted to make this second video because in my first video, I was so excited talking about instruments, I forgot to explain a paper that we're going to be using over the next couple classes as we talk about the different instrument families. So you are going to be receiving a long paper that looks just like this. Mrs. Ostrin and I actually put them all into your art folders because the art department had these really nice folders made up for you guys. And they said it would be all right if we snuck one little paper in there. So if you see this music paper in your art folder, please don't throw it away. You do need it. So each of the little boxes has some writing and there's also some lines. We're gonna get this ready to start taking some notes about some of the instrument families. So you're gonna get a pair of scissors and you're gonna cut, I'm gonna show you just the top half of the paper because then once I cut it, I'm gonna be able to fold it down. So don't cut the whole way through or you're gonna cut your paper in half. So I'm gonna cut just straight down the 4 lines for the 4 instrument families, okay? So I didn't cut the whole way through, just halfway through. And then I'm just gonna simply fold it down because now you can kind of quiz yourself on the different parts of the instrument families. So I folded them down. It'll look like this. I've got all my little flappies. On the inside, it'll say right here at the top, what is vibrating to create the sound? And all the teachers will tell you that in the videos. And then the bottom, you're gonna list the instruments. So this is a great way to quiz yourself. On the front here, we're gonna write the instrument families. So like string, brass, woodwind, percussion, and then in the string family, you'll open it up. And then that's where you'll write information about the string family from our first video, okay? So remember, don't cut the whole way through, and then you're gonna write the 4 instrument families on the front if you wanna do it all now, or if you wanna wait and write it as each video goes. So this is how you're gonna use that paper for notes about our instrument families.